Trust me, I get it. This is something that I've been dealing with for a very long period of time now, ever since the new update and Nvidia GeForce experience came out. And I just couldn't seem quite to understand how to be able to disable the Nvidia GeForce statistics overlay ever since it came out, because there was like all these other new stuff with the new update is what I'm basically saying. That's, like I said, that's the reason why I decided to make this tutorial, because I'm pretty sure there's other people can relate to my situation that I had went through this year in 2025, and I know how to be able to disable it now, and I'm pretty sure there's other people out there that wants to disable this overlay. So with that being said, I'm about to just go ahead and get straight into it. But before I do get into it, all I want to say is that if this video does help you guys out a lot, make sure to please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you guys didn't already. Follow me on my social medias. My social medias are in the place description below of this video, and I'm a Twitch streamer, and it would really be appreciated if you guys could really possibly follow me on Twitch, because that's why I'm mainly active at. I'm really trying to grow on there and trying to build a community on there. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into this video. All right, I'm back. I'm on my home screen, desktop screen on my PC. And you guys probably thinking to yourselves that you probably had to open the Nvidia app by just going down in the search box and typing in Nvidia. Well, surprisingly, it is not either this right here or it's not this right here, which is GeForce Experience. It is not one of these apps that I'm hovering over. It is not both of these at all. That is not the case within this video, surprisingly. Again, this is 2025. That's the reason why I decided to make this video as of July the 30th, 2025. And again, like I said, that's the reason why I had to make this video, and you guys will be very shocked on what you have to do to be able to disable it. So what you have to do to be able to disable it is this right here. You have to go inside Razer Cortex. This is the app that came along with it within the update. So we're gonna open this right here. We're gonna open this program. That's what we're doing right now. Currently, I'm just waiting for it to be opening right now. I'm surprised it hasn't opened yet. I'm just waiting for it. Hold on. Okay, it is currently opening right now. Waiting for it. It's taking its time. It's processing. We're going to get there eventually. Okay, it has finally opened. So what do you want to do? You want to click on this right here. You want to make sure you hover over this right here, this launcher tab. And then while you hovering over this launcher tab, you want to make sure you want to go to hovering over in game tab. You want to click on this, and this is where it's at right here. This is the overlay, the Nvidia GeForce Experience overlay that you want to be able to disable. And it's right here, the custom display. Right now I have it disabled, but normally it will be enabled. It will be enabled. That right there will normally be enabled. But to disable it, you just pretty much click the button right here. When it's green, when it's the color green, that means it's enabled. But when it's the color gray, that means it's disabled. Clearly, that's all you have to do. It's that simple. Other than that, that's all in this video for today's tutorial. I hope this video did help you guys out, and I hope anyone that's watching this video can really relate to this, because I'm assuming that there's people out there that can relate to this, and that's the reason why I decided to make this video once again. And I really do appreciate you guys for taking the time out of your day to really come across this video, and I hope this video did help you guys out once again. Once again, make sure to please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you guys didn't already. Follow me on all of my social medias. My social medias are placed in the description below. I really do look forward to engaging with y'all on Twitch if anybody is very interested into coming across my channel on Twitch, because I really do look forward into building the community, and that is something that I genuinely love doing. I love engaging with new people, and I really just overall just love building a community and just having a casual friendship. And I'm just really just trying to be happy and build a family overall, because it's something I enjoy really doing the most, content creation and just streaming, doing both of those things simultaneously. So with that being said, I will catch you guys in the next one. As always, thank you guys for watching. My name is Struco, and I'm out.
I'll be a bartender, stir it on up, mix a move on up in your cup and be your broken heart.